PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti, former Chief Minister Jammu and Kashmir, sparked a controversy comparing India with Bangladesh. Mehbooba Mufti thinks India and Bangladesh are the same when it comes to the treatment of minorities. Mehbooba Mufti has said, and I quote her here first, minorities are being targeted in India exactly like is being done in Bangladesh. Also, she adds, there is no difference between the workings in India and Bangladesh. Expectedly, the BJP has rained fire on Mehbooba Mufti, even demanding stern action against her. Let's listen in to what did Mehbooba Mufti say, to which what did BJP leaders are saying.
अभी देखिए बांग्लादेश में बहुत बुरा है। वहाँ हमारे जो हिंदू भाई हैं उनके साथ बड़ी ज्यादती हो रही है जो हमने सुना है। तो यहाँ हम माइनॉरिटीज के साथ ज्यादती कर रहे हैं तो फर्क क्या है? इतना बड़ा मुल्क हमारा हिंदुस्तान, इतना विशाल, इतना सेक्युलर, पूरी दुनिया में माना जाता है। तो जब हम में और बांग्लादेश में कोई फर्क ही नहीं रहेगा, हमारे यहाँ हम माइनॉरिटीज को तंग करेंगे, उनकी मस्जिदों को तोड़ के शिवलिंग ढूंढेंगे। बांग्लादेश में अगर कोई हिंदू हमारा भाई वहाँ की जाति के खिलाफ बात करता है उसको जेल में डाल देंगे। यहाँ उमर खालिद को जेल में डालते हैं, वहाँ उनको जेल में। तो फर्क क्या है? मुझे तो लगता है कोई फर्क ही नहीं है।
मैडम महबूबा मुफ्ती ने राष्ट्रद्रोह किया है। बांग्लादेश के हालात की चर्चा करते करते उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा षड्यंत्र किया और हमारे देश का नाम, भारत का नाम जोड़ने की साजिश और कोशिश जो महबूबा मुफ्ती ने किए हैं वो बहुत ही निंदनीय है। राष्ट्रद्रोह का अपराध महबूबा मुफ्ती ने किया है।
Remember that the Hindu minority in Bangladesh, their numbers have declined sharply over the years. They are less than 8% now in the neighbor nation. And the kind of attacks and fear they are feeling, Mehbooba Mufti says, it's exactly how minorities in India are failing and facing right now. Sunil Ji Bhatt joins me on the phone line for this. Sunil, it's expectedly a statement that the BJP will jump on. Tell us more about the context she was trying to make, because to compare India and Bangladesh in so many ways is absolutely bizarre, isn't it?
Absolutely, Pooja. It's a bizarre statement that has come from PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti. While political leaders have been reacting to the recent violence in Sambal in Uttar Pradesh, but to draw a comparison between India and Bangladesh is quite bizarre and unfortunate. And that's why a major political controversy has erupted in Jammu and Kashmir. BJP has reacted sharply, and senior BJP leader Ravinder Raina has even gone on to say that Mehbooba Mufti has indulged in what he said, quote-unquote, anti-national crime. So this is going to lead to a major political storm in Jammu and Kashmir. But Pooja, the kind of statement that has come from Mehbooba Mufti today, she was addressing her party workers in Jammu, and she was then drawing a comparison between India and Bangladesh, the recent violence that took place in Sambal in Uttar Pradesh, and then she was drawing parallels with Bangladesh. So it's quite bizarre. India is a secular nation, we are a democratic nation, world's largest democracy, and the entire world acknowledges this. And as you rightly said, that in Bangladesh the the population of Hindus has been dwindling. There has been a population has been decreasing. Hindus are being persecuted. But compare it with our nation. Here the minorities enjoy all kind of rights. They are equal citizens, and they are a thriving community. But still, unfortunately, there are political parties and politicians who resort to fear-mongering and draw such comparisons. And it's going to lead to a major political showdown.
Expectedly.
And tomorrow,
looks like
protests are also going to take place in Jammu. Some organizations are going to stage protests over this statement.
All right, so that means tomorrow the BJP possibly will escalate this further. There could be protests in the Jammu region over the statement that she's said, comparing India and Bangladesh, to say both are same in the manner in which the minorities are being treated.